So I tested all these three platforms, Anti-Gravity, Lovable, and Codex, building real apps, breaking things, fixing bugs, and seeing which one actually delivers. And this is the truth that nobody tells you. So quick background. These Codex here, so OpenAI's Codex here is basically the OG AI coding brain. It's actually terminal heavy, powerful, technical, and built more for developers. Whereas Lovable is the vibing code king right now. You describe an app in plain English here, and it builds full stack products insanely fast. And the anti gravity positions itself as the ship production ready app fast tool. Like it's a less toy project, more of a serious workflow. So naturally, I tested all these three apps. If we look into these pros of these three platforms here, so anti-gravity surprised me the most. The biggest strength is the structure. It thinks more like an actual engineering team than a chatbot, with better project organization, clear architecture, and fewer moments where the code base turns into like a like a spaghetti after 20 prompts. That's what happens. Whereas like Lovable, it's absolutely fast. Okay, like very fast. And if you want landing pages or MVPs or internet tools, this feels like the best one. Okay, the UX is insanely beginner friendly, and it gives non-technical founders quite superpowers as well. Okay, it's if for speed, this one actually wins here. And the Codex still feels the smartest. Technically, it feels less flashy, but when things get complex like debugging logic and deeper engineering problems, you can feel the raw intelligence underneath. It's the closest thing to pairing with an actual senior developer. But on the downside here, all these platforms like anti-gravity still has friction. Sometimes it's over engineers simple task. And Lovable here, the biggest issue is the control. It's incredible until you want something very specific. Then you are like, you can't, it's out of your control, and the project can become very messy as well. Whereas Kodak here has the steepest learning curve by far. So if you're a non-technical person, good luck. It's going to be a tough time. So I would say for non-technical founders, if you can't code or just want to launch ideas fast, just go with Lovable. It's the best for you. But for indie hackers, if you care about balancing speed with long-term structure, then anti-gravity is seriously interesting for you. And for engineers or developers, if you already know how to code and want the deepest control and strong technical reasoning, then Codex it might be an ideal option for you. So the crazy part is none of these tools are replacing developers tomorrow, but developers using these tools, they are replacing developers who don't.